realized you can't make videos about something that you're not passionate about. It has to be something that comes from the heart, something that you're very passionate about, because you're just going to end up getting what they call burnout. Hey, it's Trainer Jay, and today we're going to talk about YouTube. That's something I do with my audience, okay? Don't worry about it if you're new. So, guys, YouTube has absolutely changed my life. It's been 6 months. I started my channel back in January. We're in July, so it might be a little bit longer than 6 months, give or take a couple of days, but I wanted to get into some juicy stuff with you guys and talk about how it genuinely has changed my life. It really has. I go by Trainer Jay, alright, and I make Pokemon Go content. Now, I didn't always make Pokemon Go content. I first started off with my phone. I picked it up. I didn't know what to record. I had no idea what to record, guys. I just started. And that's what you should do. Just start. It doesn't matter where or when or what you're recording. Just start. Because your first video is not going to be as high quality as Mr. Beast. You're going to have to build up a lot of skills and do a lot of research, and you'll get better and better and better and better. And this stuff becomes addicting. I go to sleep checking my analytics. I wake up, I check my analytics. I check it all day, all the time. Guys, I've even snuck to the bathroom at work to check my analytics. Like if I post a video that day and I'm like, oh, how's it doing? It's probably not healthy, but it's great. YouTube is great. It gives me a sense of a lot of accomplishment. I feel like I'm achieving goals. It's very, very good. It's a feeling like no other to put something out there that you put your heart and soul into, and people are watching it, giving you feedback, and they're loving it, and you're getting people that follow you. It's just absolutely amazing. Now, it's also on the other side of the spectrum. You put your heart and soul into something, and it just completely flops and gets like 5 views. That could be bad, but you cannot let it get to you. You know, I wake up. Now, I have a family. I love my family, but now I wake up and I feel like I have something that I can do. I have goals to achieve, which I've always had, but YouTube gives it that extra step up, right? I feel like, okay, I got to get this done today. I got more people that's counting on me, and it's really, really cool, guys. I've been doing this for 6 months, and I started off making like TikTok meme funny shorts, little voiceovers and stuff where I'm like lips talking to other people's audios. You can check them out. They're still on the channel, but I've got a video that's almost at 500,000 views. I switched my channel completely, and I started doing long form videos, and my long form videos were about finance and, you know, how to make side hustles and money and stuff like that, because it pays a lot. And then I realized you can't make videos about something that you're not passionate about. It has to be something that comes from the heart, something that you're very passionate about, because you're just going to end up getting what they call burnout. You're going to have to do research on every topic you put out, and you're not going to really know. And then if you don't enjoy it, you're going to have to dread every time you make videos. Just do something. And that's why I switched to Pokemon Go content, because I play Pokemon Go with my family, my daughter, my fiance. We all play. We love it. And I get to make videos easy. And the one thing about that is now I have 3,700 subscribers, and only like maybe almost 800 of them are there to watch my Pokemon Go content. So I have over 2,000 subscribers that don't even watch my videos anymore, because I don't make them type of shorts anymore, so they subscribe to watch something totally different. So I'm in this situation where I'm this close to being monetized. By the way, I'm hoping that these YouTube videos will help my channel get monetized, because I'm this close. And I see you, YouTube. I know what you're doing, promoting these videos that has the word YouTube in it. That's usually everyone's most popular video at the start. But we're this close to hitting monetization. We're going to make some money. I bought a $600 camera, $100 microphone, another $100 microphone that clips on my shirt, you know, for my phone attachment. And then I bought the little stand that goes to it. And I bought a computer and a desk and stuff like that. So, you know, I got about $1,500 invested in this, but we're going to make it back. It's a goal, and it's a goal I'm going to achieve, and we're almost there, guys. So you need to do it, and you don't need all that stuff, right? This happened over time. Once I realized, wow, this is actually going to work, this is actually going to happen. I started off with my cell phone. I would literally prop my cell phone up against the wall or up against some books, sit back and start recording. It's so easy. My first few videos were recorded like vertical, but you need to just start. Videos will get better with time, energy, lots of work, and practice, 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 practice. Because over time, you're gonna learn how to edit, you're gonna learn how to make thumbnails, you're gonna learn how to talk to the camera with confidence and not sound like a robot when you talk and say, "Hi guys, my name is." No, you're gonna get it all. As I'm trying to make this really cool video and there's guys working next door making loud noises, but that's what you deal with. As a YouTuber, that's how it is. You have to have good lighting, you have to have good sound. You wanna make the best quality videos. And you guys need to hear, just make videos from your heart. People will watch. There's an audience for everything. As long as you make a good topic, come up with a good topic and do research on what keywords people are looking up and make a thumbnail that people want to click, that creates curiosity. And when they're scrolling through, they're going to see that it's suggested and they're going to click it because it beats all the other thumbnails around it. So you have to beat the competition. I don't look at it as competition. I consider all these guys my coworkers because we're all YouTubers. And I love being a YouTuber. I talk to my coworkers about it. I talk to my family about it. I tell my family, hey, you guys should start. It's amazing. You can make money on it. Just got to do it for a long time and you have to love it. But it's just a true, amazing feeling. And now that I've found my niche, now that I've found my audience, it's just nothing but up from here. And I'm so excited and I'm so stoked to see what's to come because I'm in the very beginning of the journey and I'm already sharing with you guys how it's changed my life, and it has. I wake up with a sense of even more purpose than before because I was always looking at what am I supposed to do with my life? And I never knew. I knew I had a family. I knew I had kids I had to raise and a job that I had to go to, which I'm hoping someday I can be my own boss, which it could happen. Anything's possible with YouTube. So I'm here to give you guys a little bit of motivation, encouragement, because I'm calling my friends up. I'm telling them, hey, I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to edit. I'll teach you how to make your first couple videos. Just do it. I need you to start now. It's that important. You guys got to not be the people that are watching the content. You want to be the one that creates, right? No more consumer. Now we're the creator. That's the mindset because the world is going into a digital AI world and we need to be the ones that are creating for all the people to watch. With that being said, I've had a lot of fun making this video. I've had a lot of fun on my YouTube journey. We're almost about 3,000 watch hours, so we're this close to being monetized. So if you've made it to this point in the video, I cannot thank you enough. I really appreciate it. I'm hoping this video gets a good amount of views and it can monetize us alone, because when we get 4,000, we'll make money from the ads. Anybody that wants to support my channel, I do have a Patreon. If you're here to watch for the YouTube content and you have a YouTube channel of your own, then you don't need to subscribe. A thumbs up and you watching is great enough. I really appreciate it. Now, if you're here for the Pokemon Go videos, they're going to keep coming. They're not going anywhere. I'm looking to make 2 to 3 videos a week, and we're going to keep pushing out that content. We're going to make lots of tips videos, guides to help you get through stuff to learn the best that you can, and we're going to cover each and every event. Promise you that. Trainer Jay out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I love you, YouTube, and I love you guys, my audience. Y'all are the best.